Hey guys, it's Lucy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday 5-minute makeup without any foundation. So I start with a toner, and you can use any toner that you like, and you just squirt a little into your hand, rub it around, or if you prefer to use cotton swabs, that's perfectly fine. And then I take some moisturizer. Again, you can use any kind that you like, and you just kind of work that into your face. Everywhere that needs some moisture. Also, don't forget your neck. It's an important part to moisturize. A lot of people forget it. Once it dries, we're gonna go in, and even though we're not doing foundation, I don't want any of my acne marks or pimples or just any spots that are a little discolored to show. So I still go in with concealer, and mine's just a drugstore concealer. You can use whatever you like, and I have a little mirror here that I'm going to use. So I just use that, and mine's just a little stick one, and it's in my color, and I just go in and draw on any little spots that I want to hide a little. Because, your skin's not going to be perfect every day, but sometimes you don't really want to clog your pores with foundation, or you just don't want to go through the work of doing a whole foundation. So then I take my brush, and of course you can use your hands if you want. I just prefer to use this brush, and I just kind of work it in everywhere that I added a little spot treatment or concealer. Because I still want it to blend in, I just want a little extra coverage there. And obviously with this method, your skin isn't going to be 100% flawless. It's just going to be a little bit better, and it looks really natural. So that's what I'm going for, but you can go for whatever you want. So next I go in with just a matte powder. And that's because I have oily skin and I get shiny, and also this just kind of lays on top and softens everywhere so that it kind of looks like the little blur filter that you would put on some images when you're editing them. So, of course you can stop here if you just want your skin to look a little different, but I like to add a little more to my eyes and face. So next, I go in with blush, and mine's more of like a bronzy blush, but it has a little shimmer in it. And I just take a little brush, and I get some of that, and I put it on my cheekbones, and I bring it up my face. And I actually take that exact same thing on the exact same brush and just swirl it around in my eyes just to darken a little. So then I have a little eyeshadow, but it took like 2 seconds. So next I'll go in and do my eyebrows. So again, I'm going for a really natural look, and I find that powder makes it look a lot more natural and blended in. So again, I'm gonna need my mirror for this, and I just go in with a brown powder that's about the shade of my brows, and I fill in a little bit what's in here just to kind of fill in any sparse hairs, but I don't really make a new shape for them. So I'll do the same thing with my other eye. And if you're someone who likes a little more darkness around your eyes, you can take this same brush, the same powder, and go into your lash line, and that'll kind of darken that up, but personally I don't really want that today. So then I go in with just a little spoolie, and I brush out my brows, and this will blend the powder in and get rid of any excess, and it'll also just make sure my brows are going all the right way, because you don't want to have your brows all over the place. So then I go in with an eyelash curler, and I definitely need a mirror for this because I don't want to pinch my eye, but I just go in and curl my lashes. And some days, when I don't feel like doing mascara, this is as far as I'll go. But most times I add mascara if I've already gone this far. but I definitely like curling my lashes. Sometimes, even if I don't do anything but curl my lashes, it just makes me feel a lot more put together. And my hands are sliding on my mascara today. So, 1 second. Okay, got it. So, again, you can use any mascara, and I just go in with a quick layer to darken my eyelashes and shape. I like to put it on the bottom also. Some people don't, but I think it really just opens up my eye. So then I go in and do the other eye. And you're all done with your eyes, and all that's left is lips. So you can add whatever you want to your lips. Again, all of this is super customizable, but I just use a chapstick and make sure my lips look moisturized throughout the day and nice and shiny. So again, I'm Lucy, and if you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or any tips that you do, please leave them in the comments. I would be happy to learn about it. And thank you for watching. Bye.